Hello everyone. Today in this tutorial I will show you how to create simple modern lower thirds. Lower thirds you can use for social medias for such as Instagram, YouTube, so on. I hope you know the purpose of using the lower thirds. Without wasting more time, let's get started now. First create new composition and let's rename it as lower third. And click on this icon and select the following tool and create shape like this. Let's align this properly. In this polystar one, for points will make it 2, rotational we will make it 90 degree, outer noise something will do it 70%. Hope this looks fine. Something 80 is better. Okay, this is looking good. Now select this layer and rename it as polygon. Set it properly by using align tool. Now select this layer, give the animation for this and give the keyframe at the starting point and move few frames forward and again give the keyframe here and come back to first keyframe and make it to 0. And select this layer and hit shift P for the position and give the keyframe like this and move this backward. Select this all layer and make it easy. And change the speed graph like this. Okay, now let's select read to create perfect shape. Select this pen tool and create a shape like this by using the pen tool. Let's off this fill and on the stroke. Let's make some changes by holding these points. Okay, now give the key at the center. Now create the shape layer by using the pen tool. Okay, this looks fine now. Let's off this stroke and fill, let's on it. Rename this as a path and shape layer 2 I will rename this just as a shape. This path here will drag it upward so that this shape layer looks in perfect shape. Let's off this and click on this path and click on this add and select the screen path and open this screen path, and at the end point we'll make some changes here. We'll make it 50% and start 50% and give the keyframe for both and move few frames forward and make it 100. Start make it 100 and then set it 0%. Well, now select this icon and create the circle like this and set it properly using align tool. We'll make some changes for scale. We'll set it to 80% and we'll rename it as a circle. Now open this path and copy this, and for circle hit P for position and paste it here. You can see now circle moving along with the path shape. But I want this circle to animate from the center. For this, I have to delete these points like this. Just move these keyframes equivalent to this path layer. Now it's perfect. Now circle moving along path layer. Now duplicate this circle. We'll undo these position keyframes and we'll paste it again here. I want the circle to animate from the center. For this, go to time and select the time reverse layer. Now we can see here circle 2 is animating in opposite direction. Let's bring these keyframes here. I want this layer to animate from center. Let's delete this. Let's see. Yeah, it's looking perfect now. Close this now and set circle layer and hit the U to see these keyframes, and as well also do it for path layer also. Select this layer, then make it easy, then click on this graph icon and make some changes in speed graph like this. Yes, looks fine to me. Now select these keyframes and make it easy. And as well these keyframes. Now select all these keyframes and make some changes in speed graph like this. Select this and make some changes so that our path and circles moves along the path layer. Now select all this and hit the U. Now select this circle layer and rename it as circle 1. Now select this circle 1, circle 2 layer and hit the S for scale. And at the beginning of the animation, we'll give the keyframe and select this polygon and hit the U so that keyframes appears. And give the keyframe at something here. And come back starting of the keyframe and make it 0. And this will do something 110. And here we'll give the scale size of 100. Select these keyframes and make it easy. Now we'll make some changes in speed graph so that our animation looks smooth. Looks cool now. Now select this circle 1, circle 2 layers and hit the Ctrl D. Now select this both layers and then hit the Shift Ctrl D to trim these layers. Then delete both these layers. Select these layers, change the color of the circle. Let's bring up this layer upward. Now I'll give the animation for the shape layer, for which before that this is a little bit short, so let's make it large by holding these points and drag it. Then we'll fix it here properly. Now select the shape layer, then select rectangle tool, then we create mask like this. Now create the mask like this for this shape. Select this layer, then hit M for the mask path and give the animation here. Move few frames forward, then give the keyframe, then come back to our previous keyframe. All these points and move this like this. Select these keyframes then make it easy. Then click on this graph icon and make some changes in speed graph. This looks fine. Now let's rename this as a red. Now duplicate this 2 times. Let's rename this as a black and white. Now for this, let's off this. For this white layer, we'll change the color into white, and this black layer change into black color. Select this white layer and hit U. As well, select the black and red layers, then hit U, then make some changes. Now close all this. Let's give the motion blur for this. Now let's drag and drop this image. Let's resize this. Let's fix it properly. By using align tool, set it properly. Now for this layer, we will add the fill effect, and here color will turn into white. Now let's bring this layer down, and track mate will select it polygon 2. Now you can see our animation. This is looking good to me now. Now let's duplicate this red layer and let's insert the text. And by using the align tool, set it properly and adjust its position. Let's move this red tool layer above this text. Track mate, select the red tool. Now select all these layers, then pre-compose this. Now select this layer. Then hit the Shift Ctrl D. Delete this and now duplicate this layer and just move this. And then let's rename it as reverse. Now this is done. I hope this tutorial is helpful to you. Give a like for this video and make sure to subscribe the channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you get the notification of my new videos. Thank you for watching a video. Have a nice day.